Hello, how you doing? Yes, I've come again today. Um, People do say that I look like Messi, the Big Brother winner. You know, people do say that I look like her. Is it true? Secondly, I want to talk about. First of all, my name is Messi, and people do say that I look so beautiful, but I don't know if it's true. Okay, now concerning Messi and Tasha, I went to YouTube the other day. I saw Messi and Tasha having fun, you know. So Messi said, "See who we have here," and Tasha now show off her face. So what I'm trying to say now is that those two people, I think they know what they are doing. Yes, you know, Big Brother house is a place whereby you can meet friends, if only you know why you are going there, not by as I'm showing your attitude, maybe the kind of bad character you have at home. You know, at times if you have that bad character, when you come to the public, at times you have to hide it. Yes, don't allow people to know the kind of character you have. You have to hide it and show the good one. I just comment Messi, you know. Yeah, Messi, we look alike. Oh, we look alike. Yes, so I just want to thank Big Brother House, Big Brother Naija, Mr. Biggie. I just want to thank you for making her to win, because people do say I look like her and I always want her to win. Ever since Big Brother have been going on, I've been watching it. Yes. So what I'm trying to see now is that the second one is Bobrisky. Bobrisky, go and marry. Go and marry. Stop all this nonsense life you are living. Go and marry, because see, let me tell you, there is a time that you will see it, you will see your fellow guys whereby their children have grown up. Bobrisky, you have to shine your eyes. Okay? This is model age. We are, you know, you have to shine your eye. Come on. Stop behaving as if, you know, come. Are you sure say na that same place now your mama from born you? Yes, now. Now that same place now you from come out. Now you can't behave as if say your own are different. Maybe they vomit you from mouth. Rubbish. Have a nice day, Bobrisky.